Hey everyone, welcome to a new Techalt video. Today we'll be creating some 3D shapes. So let's jump into Illustrator. Go to File, New. Take width as 1000, height as 1000. Color mode set to RGB, high 300 and click on OK. So this is your artboard. Now we'll click on M or click on rectangle tool and first we'll draw some patterns. So we'll draw a rectangle, a very thin rectangle. Set the stroke to none and you can set any fill color. Now take your selection tool, Alt click and drag. Press Ctrl D to duplicate each time. Select all the stripes and vertically distribute center and align lefts. Go to Symbols tab. Click and drag our first pattern. We'll title it Horizontal Stripes Transparent. Click on OK. The type doesn't matter right now. So click on OK. Again we'll take the same stripes and we'll break link because this is converted to a symbol. If we make any changes over here, those changes will be reflected here also. So we'll click on break link, hold down shift key, hold down shift key to constrain the rotation to 90 degrees. You can change the color of the stripes. Again we'll click and drag this pattern and put it in the symbols panel. This time we'll name it as Vertical Stripes Transparent. Click on break link again. Here also click on break link. Now you can take both the stripes, put them one on top of the other and take a rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, set the fill to none, select everything, go to Window, Pathfinder, Crop. So you have this nice checks pattern. Click on your checks pattern, drag and drop into your symbols tab. We'll name it checks transparent. Again we'll go to our symbols panel. We'll get our horizontal stripes. We'll place them here and break link. And we will click on shear tool, double click on shear tool, make sure that vertical is selected and shear angle is set to 45 degrees. Click on OK. Click on rectangle tool, draw a rectangle. This rectangle should not be bigger than your lines. Select everything, select your rectangle, set the fill to none, select everything, go to Pathfinder, Crop. So now we have our diagonal stripes. Diagonal stripes transparent. Click on OK. We'll delete this. Now we'll draw another rectangle and give any fill color. Alt click and drag to place another rectangle. Give any color to this rectangle, but make sure that the stroke is set to none. Select both the rectangles and press Ctrl D. Select everything, distribute and align horizontal axis, and again we'll go to our Symbols tab, click and drag, click on OK. So we have enough of our patterns. Now we'll start drawing our shapes. So first of all, we'll go to Ellipse tool, hold down Shift, click and drag, click on direct selection, select your first node and delete. Now select your half circle, go to Effect, 3D, Revolve. Now click on Preview mode. You will see that the object looks something like this. You can click on right edge so that you will get a sphere. Go to Map Art, select horizontal stripes, click on Scale to Fit, and if you want you can select any of these options. Shade Artwork. If you want you can leave it as it is. Click on OK. OK. So this is our first sphere. We'll make another copy of it. We'll go to Appearance panel, double click, turn on the preview, click on Map Art, click on Invisible Geometry, click on OK. So this is our second sphere. Again we'll Alt click and drag to make another copy. Double click in the Appearance panel, double click on 3D Revolve, turn on the preview, click on Map Art. This time we'll be selecting Diagonal Stripes pattern. Click on Scale to Fit. So you have another pattern over here. Again we'll click on 3D Revolve, turn on the preview, click on Map Art, and you can do this for other options also. Click on Scale to Fit. If you want you can keep the geometry, and if you do not want the geometry you can click on Invisible Geometry. Click on OK. Similarly, you can create various designs you want to create. There can be many options which you can create using this method. So I have created a few more. Now for creating this pattern, simply when you take your ellipse tool, take your direct selection and delete this. top node, and then you will get this output. You will go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, turn on the preview, go to Map Art, select your stripes pattern, and then you can click on Shade Artwork, Invisible Geometry, and click on OK. We'll change the color. So we get this output. Go to Appearance panel, double click on 3D Revolve, turn on the preview, and you can change the view. Click on OK. So you get this output. If you want to create this output, you need to create only 2 stripes. So the pattern used is this. This pattern is used for this output. And for this output, if you want this output, simply take the complete circle instead of a semicircle. Go to Effect, Revolve, turn on the preview, and you will get this output. Hope you must have liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you have learned something from our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and do not forget to like and share our videos. Till next time, stay safe and stick around.